let's take a look at your practice test. And just like all your assignments, don't forget your name. On question number 1, I want you to name 5 planes we see in this figure. Notice plane ABC, there's actually 4 points. It's actually A, B, C, D. You can use any of those 3 points. A, C, D would have worked. D, C, A would have worked. If you name 4 points, you're being redundant. It's not necessarily wrong, but I'm going to count it wrong on the test if you do that, because I just told you. Also, you can name it as plane P or plane ADE, the bottom one. But if you name them both, then you've only named that plane once. So don't do that, because then you won't have answered the question. You'll have given me 4 planes. If you name both of them, they only give me the 3 of the others. When we look at question 2, I want to know a line that's coplanar with AD and AB. And notice that's plane ABC. So you could name it as line DC or line BC. We want to be in that plane. And that's what you want to do for that one. Now on question 4, we're given the midpoint of AB is 1, 2. So maybe I might want to graph this so I can get an idea. So AB is over here at 1, 2. Over 1 and up 2. And I know the coordinate of point A is over 3 and down 3. So here's A at 3 and negative 3. And I want to find the value of X so that X is at something and 7. So I know if I draw, there we go. If I draw my midpoint over here, it's going to be something and 7. Well, since I graph this, I think I'll look at this graphically. From 3 to 1, notice I'm going back 2. So from 1 to X, I'm going to go back 2. So in other words, X is going to be 1 minus 2. Here we go again. Okay, that's not negative 2. It's 1 minus 2. And that will be, switch pens here, negative 1. Now on question 5, there are 2 answers here. I told you that if C, D, and and E are collinear. I just noticed E is missing on that. But I never told you the order. So it could be C, D, and E. And then if we know that, I know C to E is 15.8. And I know D to E is 3.5. So in other words, to find C to D, I'd take 15.8 minus 3.5, and I get 12.3, and that would be centimeters. But since I didn't tell you the order, it could just have been CED. If I go C, E, and D, well now C to E is 15.8, and D to E is 3.5. So to find C to D, we'll use a segment addition postulate. We'll add 15.8 plus 3.5. That'll give us 19.3 centimeters.